Welcome back to my channel. Amazon Product Hunting Criteria. Finding a profitable product to sell on Amazon is a complex task that involves a blend of research, analysis, and strategic planning. The process, often referred to as product hunting, requires a clear understanding of the market, competitive landscape, customer preferences, and various financial metrics. This guide will delve into the essential criteria and steps to identify a winning product for your Amazon business. 1. Market demand. A. Search volume. High search volume for a product indicates strong demand. Tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, and Google Keyword Planner can provide insights into monthly search volumes. Aim for keywords with thousands of searches per month to ensure a substantial customer base. B. Sales volume. Check the sales volume of top products in your chosen category. Consistent high sales across multiple listings suggest a healthy market. Amazon's bestsellers rank BSR is a useful indicator, with lower BSR values denoting higher sales. 2. Competition analysis. A. Number of competitors. Assess the number of sellers offering similar products. While some competition is healthy, oversaturation can make it challenging to stand out. Look for niches with a moderate number of competitors. B. Reviews. Products with thousands of reviews are hard to compete with. Focus on niches where the top products have under 500 reviews, as it's easier to catch up and outperform these listings. C. Brand dominance. Evaluate if the market is dominated by well-established brands. Competing against renowned brands with loyal customer bases can be difficult. Look for niches with less brand dominance. 3. Profitability. A. Pricing. Ensure the product price allows for a reasonable profit margin. Typically, products priced between $20 and $50 strike a good balance between afford for customers and profitability for sellers. B. Cost of goods sold (COGS). Calculate the total cost of producing or purchasing the product. Include manufacturing costs, shipping fees, and import duties. Aim for a COGS that's 25 minus 35 of the retail price. C. Amazon fees. Factor in Amazon's fees, including referral fees, usually 15, fulfillment fees, FBA fees, and storage fees. Use Amazon's FBA revenue calculator to estimate these costs accurately. D. Profit margin. After accounting for COGS and Amazon fees, ensure a profit margin of at least 25 minus 30. Higher margins provide a buffer for advertising costs and price fluctuations. 4. Product size and weight. A. Dimensions and weight. Smaller and lighter products incur lower shipping and storage costs. Aim for products that fit within Amazon's standard size and weight categories to minimize FBA fees. B. Durability. Fragile items are more prone to damage during shipping, leading to higher return rates and negative reviews. Choose durable products to ensure customer satisfaction and lower return costs. 5. Seasonality. A. Year-bound demand. Focus on products with consistent demand throughout the year. Seasonal products can lead to fluctuating sales and cash flow challenges. Use Google Trends to analyze search interest over time. B. Trend analysis. Avoid products that are mere fads or trending temporarily. Look for items with stable or growing demand to ensure long-term viability. 6. Product differentiation. A. Unique selling proposition USB. Identify ways to differentiate your product from competitors. This could be through better quality, unique features, improved design, or bundling with complementary items. B. Customer feedback. Read reviews of competing products to identify common complaints and areas for improvement. Use this feedback to enhance your product offering. C. Branding. Develop a strong brand identity to create a loyal customer base. Invest in professional packaging and branding to stand out in a crowded marketplace. 7. Legal and regulatory considerations. A. Patents and trademarks. Ensure your product does not infringe on existing patents or trademarks. Conduct thorough research or consult with a legal expert to avoid potential lawsuits. B. Compliance. Adhere to relevant regulations and safety standards for your product category. For example, toys must comply with CPSIA regulations, and electronics need CE or FCC certifications. C. Restricted categories: Be aware of Amazon's restricted categories and gating requirements. Some categories require approval or additional documentation to sell. 8. Supplier reliability. A. Sourcing. Identify reliable suppliers through platforms like Alibaba, global sources, or local trade shows. Verify their credibility by checking reviews, certifications, and conducting factory audits if possible. B. Minimum order quantity (MOQ). Consider the supplier's MOQ and ensure it aligns with your budget. Negotiate favorable terms to minimize initial investment and risk. C. Lead time. Assess the lead time for production and shipping. Faster turnaround times help maintain inventory levels and meet customer demand promptly. 9. Marketing and advertising. A. Pay-per-click PPC advertising. Plan for advertising costs to drive traffic to your listing. Analyze competitors' PPC strategies and budget for a competitive ad spend. B. Social media and influencers. Leverage social media platforms and influencer partnerships to promote your product. This can help build brand awareness and drive external traffic to your Amazon listing. C. Content and SEO. Optimize your product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, bullet points, and relevant keywords. Effective SEO practices improve visibility and organic search rankings. 10. Inventory management. A. Inventory turnover. Maintain optimal inventory levels to avoid stockouts or excess storage FEs. Use inventory management tools to track sales trends and reorder products in a timely manner. B. Fulfillment options. Decide between fulfillment by Amazon FBA and fulfillment by merchant FBM. FBA offers benefits like Prime eligibility and customer service, while FBM provides more control over shipping and storage. 11. Customer service and feedback. A. Response time. Ensure prompt and helpful responses to customer inquiries. Good customer service enhances reputation and can lead to positive reviews and repeat business. B. Review management. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and address negative feedback constructively. High ratings and reviews improve product credibility and ranking. 12. Data analysis and continuous improvement. A. Performance metrics. Regularly Analyze key performance indicators (KPIs), such as sales, conversion rates, return rates, and customer feedback. Use this data to identify areas for improvement. B. A or B testing. Experiment with different listing elements, titles, images, descriptions to optimize conversion rates. A or B testing helps determine the most effective strategies. C. Adaptability. Stay agile and adapt to market changes, customer preferences, and Amazon's policies. Continuously refine your product offering and business strategies to maintain competitiveness. Conclusion: successful Amazon product hunting involves a multifaceted approach that combines market research, competitive analysis, financial planning, and strategic marketing. By adhering to these criteria, sellers can identify profitable products with high demand, manageable competition, and robust profitability. Continuous monitoring and adaptation are crucial to sustaining success in the dynamic Amazon marketplace. Thanks for watching.